Hi, and welcome to Metal Supermarkets, the convenience stores for metal. I'm Jason Jackson, Operations and Development Manager. Customers often ask us about the different types of steel and what type they should use for their projects. So in this video blog series, we'll take an in-depth look at some of these common types of steel. At Metal Supermarkets, we find it useful to group steel into 4 categories using the acronym C.A.S.T. This stands for carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, and tool steel. The American Iron and Steel Institute, or the AISI, categorizes steel into these 4 groups based on chemical composition. Within each category, there are many different grades of steel that have varying physical, chemical, and environmental properties. It is the amount of carbon and the additional alloys that determine the properties of each grade. Different types of steel can also be classified by a variety of different factors, such as composition, production method, finishing method, form or shape, deoxidization process, microstructure, physical strength, and heat treatment. To identify the properties of steel, the steel industry uses 2 major numbering systems. The first was developed by the AISI, and the second by the Society of Automotive Engineers, or SAE. Both systems use 4-digit number codes which identify the base carbon and alloy steels. If the first digit is a 1, that indicates carbon steel. The next digit indicates the subcategory based on particular underlying properties. For example, the 10 series indicates plain carbon steel containing 1% manganese maximum. The 11 series contains resulfurized carbon steel. The 12 series is resulfurized and rephosphorized carbon steel. And finally, the 15 series contains non-resulfurized high manganese carbon steel. Remaining alloy steels under the SAE or AISI systems are classified as shown. Generally, but not always, the second digit in the series indicates the concentration of the major element in percentiles. The last 2 digits indicate the carbon concentration to 0.01%. So, 4140 indicates a molybdenum alloy steel containing 1% of molybdenum and 0.40% of carbon. Hopefully this introduction has helped you get a better idea of the different types of steel available. Stay tuned for the next video in this series where we will look closer at the C in C.A.S.T, carbon steel.